The Ford Maverick's touchscreen, powered by Sync 4, sometimes freezes or becomes unresponsive. This is often due to software glitches, which Ford addresses with over-the-air updates. Before diving into resets, ensure your system is up to date via the Vehicle Settings or Ford Pass app. Now let's talk about how to reset it. There are three main methods: soft reset, hard reset, and factory reset. We recommend starting with the least invasive option, the soft reset, and only proceeding to more aggressive methods if the issue persists. For a soft reset, go to General in the Settings menu, then Reset, then Soft Reset. This clears the cache without losing data. For a hard reset, if the screen is frozen, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until it reboots. This mimics a power cycle. As a last resort, perform a factory reset under General, then Reset, then Factory Reset. This erases customizations and returns to default state. Always back up important data via Ford Pass before performing a factory reset. Remember, resetting doesn't install new software, it just clears temporary problems. Contact a dealer if problems continue.